Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see lead code 994 routing orange problem. So as the problem says, in a given grid, each cell can have one of three values. The value 0 representing an empty cell, the value 1 representing a fresh orange, the value 2 representing a rotten orange. So they have given a grid. In that grid, each cell can have 0, 1 or 2. 0 represents an empty cell, 1 represents a fresh orange, and 2 represents a rotten orange. Every minute, any fresh orange that is adjacent to a rotten orange becomes rotten. Return the minimum number of minutes that must elapse until no cell has a fresh orange. If this is impossible, return -1 instead. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to convert every fresh orange. The rotten orange will convert the fresh orange every minute. We need to count number of minutes required to convert all the fresh orange to the rotten orange. The how the conversion will happen is the rotten orange, it will convert the fresh which is adjacent to the rotten orange in that grid. In the that direction is four direction: up, down, and sideways, both sideways. So it will convert um, all four direction cells in each minute. So they have given one example. This is the initial stage. In that they have 6 fresh orange and 1 rotten orange. Okay, in the first minute it converts its two cells, nearby two cells, and in the next minutes totally we have then next we have these two rotten orange. This rotten orange will convert this one and this one, and this rotten orange will convert nothing. So then we have these two rotten orange, then that is what we have. Then these two rotten orange will convert this one. This orange doesn't have any fresh orange, it's nearby cells. This rotten orange has one in the down cells, and in the next minute this rotten orange will convert the fresh one. So totally it requires 4 minutes. So this is an interesting problem, and we can solve this problem using Breadth search algorithm. Okay, let's see the code. So this is initially we have written the bad input condition. If the grid is null or the grid length is less than 1, then we return 0, and we are defining a queue. That is where we store all the rotten orange cell location as an integer array, and then we declared few variables to count the existing fresh and rotten orange. And this is where we initially iterate through the grid and we add the rotten orange into the queue, and we also count the number of rotten orange and fresh orange in the existing grid. And then if the fresh orange is 0, then we return 0, because if the grid doesn't have any fresh orange, we don't want to do any there will be happen any conversion, so we just return 0. And we have a few variables to find out whether the conversion is completed or not. And we declared one direction array. It will go upside, downside, and left, right cells. and this is where we iterate through the queue. uh, First, initially the queue contains initial this rotten orange, then we'll get its size. We'll check the condition. Initially the total will be count of fresh plus rotten orange. Here the initially the total will be 7, fresh will be 6, and rotten will be 1. So totally we need to run the iteration till we get all the 6 fresh orange converted to the rotten. uh, so initially we have 1 rotten, so that should be equal to the total is 7, rotten is 1, so we need to convert the other 6 fresh orange to complete this logic. And we increment the minutes whenever the queue completes its level of uh, fresh orange conversion to rotten, then we increment the minutes. We just take from the queue uh, each cell location of the rotten orange, and we add the direction, and we get the new um, x-axis and y-axis location of that grid. And this is the base condition. To convert any fresh orange to the rotten orange, the calculated x should be within the condition within the grid limit. So that is what the x and new x and y-axis, uh, it is checked to the grid dimension, and we need to convert only the fresh orange, so that new x and y location cell should be equal to 1. And if the condition is passes, then we convert it to the rotten and we increase the rotten. This rotten will be incremented whenever the condition happens. This is the ground condition where the rotten equal to totals. And when we converted the fresh to rotten, we add it to the queue so that it will convert its nearby fresh orange to the rotten, the next level of operation. So that's it. Let's run the program. Okay, that's it. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comments. Thank you.